In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Creator with Zoho Books for automated invoicing. This integration can save you time and reduce errors by automating the invoicing process between these two powerful applications. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to begin in Zoho Books, where all your financial activities are centralized. Open up your dashboard, which serves as your main control center. This is likely the first screen you'll see when you log in, and from here, you can oversee and manage all your financial tasks. Next, we need to set up the connection between Zoho Books and Zoho Creator. Look for the Settings option, which can usually be found in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Connections. This is where you'll manage all integrations with other applications. Now, let's create a new connection by clicking the New Connection button. This is the crucial step where you align Zoho Books with Zoho Creator, enabling seamless data transfer between them. You'll see a list of available applications. Scroll through this list until you find Zoho Creator, then click on it. This selection links the two platforms, allowing them to work together and share information, which is essential for our automated invoicing. The next step involves naming your connection. This part is all about making sure you can easily identify and manage this link in the future. You'll need to provide a connection name. This name will be how you refer to this integration, so choose something descriptive and clear. Additionally, you'll be asked for a connection link name. This serves as an internal label explaining the purpose of the connection. Both names should be intuitive to avoid any confusion down the line. After naming the connection, you need to set the scopes. The scopes define the level of data access and the range of functionalities that Zoho Creator and Zoho Books will share. These settings ensure that the integration works within the boundaries you define, allowing the applications to perform their respective tasks efficiently. Once you've set the scopes, proceed by clicking the Create and Connect button. At this stage, the system will prompt you to authorize the connection. This is a security measure that ensures both applications have the permissions they need to interact safely. Follow the on-screen instructions to provide the necessary permissions and complete the authorization process. Finally, look for a success message that confirms your connection is active. This message is your assurance that everything is set up correctly, and your automated invoicing system is ready to go. With the integration complete, you can now look forward to enhanced efficiency and accuracy in handling invoices. That wraps up our tutorial on integrating Zoho Creator with Zoho Books.